Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful sunrise, and just want to talk to you today about getting outside. And if you are not aware, getting outside in nature is good for your health in many different ways. It lowers your blood pressure, it lowers your heart rate, it reduces your cortisol levels, which is your stress hormone. And there are compounds in the plant life in nature that when you breathe them in, boost your immune system, your immunity. So make sure you take the time to get outside in nature and improve your health. As far as mental health goes, it also is good for that. It reduces stress, reduces symptoms of depression, reduces anxiety. Just getting out in nature 30 minutes a day is good for your mental health as well as your physical health. So get outside today, everyone. Have a great day.